Hi, Michael from streamingchurch.tv. Thank you for choosing streamingchurch.tv for all your streaming needs. Today I want to talk you through how to use custom dynamic zone in the streaming platform. We'll navigate to streaming management and then streaming platform, and you'll notice there's actually a couple here. There's add a new dynamic and select dynamic. There's another video for how to add a new dynamic area. We're going to choose select dynamic area, and this is going to populate all the ones that have already been created. As you scroll down, you will notice that there's a variety of different ones that are pre-populated. You can create new ones, you can edit and delete these, but how you activate them is, so somebody's favorite car here, will click on that and activate that dynamic area, and then as you come over here then to that streaming platform that matches, you'll notice that in just a couple of moments it refreshes and updates to that dynamic content that then you are choosing to activate. So this is, in this area is the dynamic area below the video, and it is your area that you can do live updates during the service. So that again is the dynamic area. The area over underneath your chat is your static area. Very easy to edit, very easy to change. We'll change it back to the countdown timer. See it activate and change dynamically. So it's a live dynamic area. This has been Mike for streamingchurch.tv.